Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Savvy. This is Namrata Doshi. Today I am going to show you a magic shortcut by using flash fill in Excel. Ctrl plus E is a shortcut for flash fill. Flash fill can be used only in Excel 2013, 2016, 2019 and Excel for Office 365 version. Excel 2010 or any other previous version will not have any flash fill. Flash fill can be used without using any formula. Flash fill automatically fills data when it observes a pattern. Flash fill can be used as substitute of many Excel functions for extracting data and combining data like as shown in the bracket. It helps in splitting and combining data in a second. First of all, you need to check whether the flash fill function is enabled in your Excel or not. For that, you have to go to File menu and click on Option, then click on Advanced, and then check this automatically flash fill function is enabled or not. Put a tick if it is not enabled and then press OK. Generally it is enabled in all the Excel. Now I will show you where you can find that flash fill function. Okay, go to Home tab and then in editing option you will find this fill option and this is flash fill function. And second option is that you go to data menu and then in data tools you will find flash fill here. Now I will show you with help of some example how flash fill can be used. Here we have child full name data. You can see that the first is child name followed by parent name and followed by surname. If from that data if I want only parent's name, so what I can do, I can write only parent name and in below cell I have to just press Ctrl E. You can see that all the parents data have been come up. Similarly I can go with surname. Similarly with child name, you can see here that it is not taking child name. So what I have to do, I have to train Excel. I have to write in second cell the second child's name and then still it is not taking. So I have to write again. Now it will show. Same way I have to take all the initial. So with the help of Ctrl E I can take this. Then short form of name with help of Ctrl E. Same way all the capital letters of child's full name and small letters of child's full name. Okay, so we have email ID data of employees. So I have gathered this data with same way with the help of Ctrl E. Similarly way I have address data. So I have get bifurcated data name wise, city wise, state wise, country wise, pin code wise with the help of Ctrl E function. I will show you how we can combine data, reverse data, separate and insert data and add also prefix in the data with help of flash fill. Here we have two data, name and surname. So as you can see that we can combine name and surname like this. If I write name space and then press Ctrl E. So you can see that all the name and surname has been combined. Like if you want surname first and name then after, you can write surname Sharma here, Ravi then after and press Ctrl E. So you can get all the data in this way. If you want Ravi, if you want name space surname, name comma surname, then you can separate name and surname by comma. I can show you. If you want to insert and in between name and surname, so you just type and in between and then press Ctrl E. And if you want to add any prefix before name, so you can write Mr. or Mrs. anything before name and just press Ctrl E. We have here numerical data also. We have mobile number 10 digit. If I want first two digit of all the mobile numbers, so I will write here first digit and then followed by Ctrl E. So you can see that all the first digit of all the mobile number have been gathered. Similarly, you can go for last 4 digit, middle 2 digit, any digit you want. Here I have date and time data. I have written all the dates here. So you can bifurcate this date wise, month wise, year wise with the help of Control E. Here I have time data also with AM and PM. So you can bifurcate it within hours, minutes, seconds, and AM PM wise also with the help of Control E. I have sales data date wise. You can see that. So I want to bifurcate my sales data in lakhs, thousands, hundreds, and with fractions of penny also. So you can do it with Control E function or flash fill. And I want date wise sales here. So what I have done that here I have written date space. So you can see that all the data have come up here. There are some limitation of flash fill also. As flash fill is not a formula, it follows particular pattern. If your data does not have any particular pattern, flash fill will not work. You have to train Excel to follow particular data. Flash fill does not identify any changes in the source data, but formula will definitely identify such changes and main result will change. If you are using flash fill in the column which is not in adjoining the column of your data, flash fill will not work. So with some example, I will show you how flash fill work with some limitations. If your data is not in a particular pattern, flash fill will not work. Here you can see that in first child name I have added one fourth word and rest of the child names are of 3 words. So if you want to all the surnames of the child, so we can try this. I want such surname of all the child. If I press Ctrl E here, it will not show all the surname of, because now flash Excel is confused because it is taking second last word of the for each child name. So you have to train the Excel by writing second child's surname and then press Ctrl E. So now you can check that all the surname has been come up. If you change any source data like I have changed here surname or Saha, it will not change my outcome. So it is advisable that if your main data is keep on changing, you should use formula instead of flash fill. Data must be in adjoining column. If I want child name in E column, which is not adjoining my surname column, so if I write child name here and press Ctrl E, it will show us error. So it must be in adjoining column, then only flash fill will work. Now you can see that it is showing child name. So that's all about the flash fill. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel Tech Savvy.